Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. Here we have the Audi Q7 on a 21 plate, as you can see. I'm going to start off firstly just by showing you around the outside of the vehicle, and then we'll hop in and run through a few of the controls on the dashboard from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot space for the vehicle. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As you can also see, we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space available too. You can increase this space by folding down any or all of those 3 rear seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the charge level and the amount of power you're using with regards to the hybrid element of this vehicle. In the centre of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. On the right-hand side, we have the speedometer. And a digital readout for the speedometer within that as well. Dead centre at the bottom, the total miles of the car are 28,586. You can change the information that's displayed directly above that for various bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and other menus, including your satellite navigation. You can also, with it being a digital dash, change the layout as well, and you can see that there, so the sat nav can dominate that screen. You can of course have it on the central screen, which we'll come to in a moment. On the steering wheel of the buttons I was just using, we have the stereo and phone controls, we have cruise control and speed limiter, the minus and plus paddle, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox, and then into the center, the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the home screen at the moment. You can scroll through any of the options that you see on here. You can access your radio, of course, as you see there, DAB, FM radio. If you hit the source button, we've got AM as well, and online radio. You can come back whenever you want to the main screen where you can access media. This is where you'll be able to listen to your own music, again under the source heading. We've got USB input, Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly. You can connect up your smartphone for Apple CarPlay, for example, which will appear down here once you've paired your phone. Pair your phone is done, of course, under the telephone heading. And as I mentioned, you can access the satellite navigation on either or both screens simultaneously. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control. So you can adjust passenger temperature, driver temperature, fan speed for the driver. For the passenger, you can determine where you would like the air distributed once it enters the car. You can do that independently for both driver and passenger. You can put the system onto auto if you want to. So if I were to tap just here, the car will now take control of the fan speed and direction of the air to maintain that temperature. You can override that whenever you wish to, just adjust the fan speed or direction of the air. You can see auto has now gone off. We have a heated passenger seat with 3 heat settings, same for the driver's side. You can change your driving setup of the car, turn your traction control on and off. We have our hazard warning lights down here. The parking camera, so if I pop the car into reverse, you can see the camera just there. You can open the camera without putting the vehicle into reverse just by hitting this button. We have the volume for the stereo, start and stop button for the engine itself, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. Okay, so the last thing I wanted to go through is just briefly the paperwork for the car. Firstly, in the envelope here is the spare keys. We have 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from new. We have some service history here, which we'd be more than happy to run through in person or on a live bespoke video call. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.